two jet engines, almost the same size, almost the same power, but there's one massive difference. One has safely carried millions of passengers for years. The other has barely flown outside military testing. Yet China is preparing to replace the proven engine on its C919 airliner with the untested one. Why would a country risk billions of dollars in the future of its aviation industry on such a bold decision? And can this new engine finally free China from relying on Western technology? Let's find out. The C919 is China's answer to the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. Today, every C919 flies with the LEAP 1C engine, built by CFM International, a partnership between America's GE Aerospace and France's Safran. Although the aircraft is Chinese, its most important component, the engine, is not. That became a serious problem in 2025 when U.S. export restrictions temporarily stopped engine deliveries. Production slowed, aircraft deliveries fell behind schedule, and China realized that relying on foreign engines could threaten the entire C919 program. To solve this, China developed its own engine, the CJ1000A, through the Aero Engine Corporation of China, AECC. It produces around 28,000 pounds of thrust, almost identical to the LEAP 1C, and even shares nearly the same size. This means it could fit onto the C919 without major structural changes. The engine uses modern technologies, including 18 lightweight hollow titanium fan blades, advanced high-pressure compressors, and 3D-printed fuel nozzles. It has already completed flight testing on China's Y-20 military transport aircraft, but it has not yet carried commercial passengers. According to current plans, Chinese certification is expected around 2027 to 2028, with commercial service likely beginning in 2028 or 2029. However, experts believe the CJ1000A still trails the LEAP 1C in fuel efficiency and long-term reliability because Western manufacturers have decades more experience. Even so, China's goal is much bigger than building a new engine. A successful CJ1000A would remove dependence on foreign suppliers, protect the C919 from future sanctions, and help China expand aircraft sales across Asia, Africa, and other Belt and Road countries. The technologies developed for this engine will also support China's future wide-body aircraft, including the C929. The CJ1000A is more than just another jet engine. It's China's biggest step toward building a completely independent commercial aviation industry. Whether it succeeds or not will shape the future of the C919 and determine if China can truly challenge Boeing and Airbus in the years ahead. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with Mandarin Tube for more in-depth stories on aviation and technology.